Check out this Nissan 2007 Frontier. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4-wheel drive, tow hooks, tires, front all-season tires, rear all-season, conventional spare tire, aluminum wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes and ABS. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.